Okay. Hi. Dmitry is my name. Your name is?
Benoît Martier.
Pleased to meet you. Tell me a little bit about Fusion Directory.
Fusion Directory is free software to manage your LDAP server. It allows you to manage user, group, various accounts for the users, and also system and how to deploy them. It's one tool to manage the whole infrastructure of a company.
That sounds like something that ex-Microsoft fanboys could really use. So basically this would be really useful to someone who was using Active Directory for their company before. Would that be correct to say?
Yes, exactly. So some friend of mine called this the Active Directory killer, because it's like Active Directory with ton of functionalities that Microsoft user dream to have. Template to create user, copy paste, easier way to manage the whole system, not only user and PC, configure the server and stuff like that.
So you can allow or deny user certain rights based on the system of yours, yes?
Yes, you can allow or deny connection to PCs. You can restrict people to only one PCs, their PCs and the server where they have to go, and stuff like that. You can, with one click, just deactivate the account for the whole system for this user, so it's rather convenient.
What platforms can it run on?
It runs on lots of platforms. Basically it's a web application in PHP 5, so everywhere you have a PHP 5 it runs. You can run with Apache, NGX and various distributions. We are very careful of making work. It's everywhere.
What distributions can it be pre-installed? I mean, not pre-installed, but let's say, on which distribution can this system be easily installed?
As today we support Debian Ubuntu and various different distributions based on Debian. We support CentOS, RHEL. We have package for Arch Linux and Magea, the fork of Mandriva.
Okay. What about compatibility with existing Active Directory installations? Okay, I'm not saying I'm not asking if this thing will be able to back up existing Active Directory, but let's say if I take out infrastructure of existing Active Directory installation, if I go ahead and just replace it with Fusion Directory, is there any simple way how I can transfer data from Active Directory? Basically, can I what is called
export?
Yeah, can I export the settings and everything? Is it possible?
You can export some parts because some parts are closed format, but for most of the parts you can export users, PCs and stuff like that. You cannot export password because they are Kerberos based, so you have to redo them.
Ask the users to...
Yes, and that's pretty all. You can have nearly 80% of your Active Directory getting out and getting in.
And what would not be compatible? What would really concern me if I decided to move?
It depends on the Samba version you are using, but till now, even with some battery, you are still able to make it work with Windows 7 and mostly Windows 8. So there is no known functionality apart group policies and stuff very specific to Active Directory.
You mentioned it's running off PHP. Does it require Apache or some other?
It requires PHP and a web server. It doesn't depend on
any specific
version. The same for the LDAP server. It can run everywhere. It doesn't use any specific functionality of OpenLDAP.
So it's entirely different projects, non-related.
Yes, you can use it on every every OpenLDAP server you have.
And what about compatibility between OpenLDAP and your system? and Fusion
works-
directory.
It works out of the box on all the new version of OpenLDAP. We support the OpenLDAP in CN config modes and the old modes with the schema file. So there is no problem running it on both systems.
All right. That was very interesting, and thank you very much.
Bye.